All right, here's a quick thing to do. Sometimes you'll notice, just like now, that you'll have your fob in your Honda and the car doesn't act like the fob is nearby. It just won't register. And sometimes I'll just take the fob and put it a little closer to the button. That seems to work sometimes. Sometimes I'll press these buttons and get it to work. However, sometimes you'll notice that this little light on the fob does not turn on when you press buttons. For some reason, this is something that happens. And if that's happening, you could have a dead battery in your fob. However, the Honda will register a low battery for a long time and give you warnings to change your battery. So there might be a little problem with the contacts, and I'm going to show you what to do about this. So open up the fob. You're going to take this little nub here to the side, this little switch, push this to the side, pull the key out, and then find that little notch right in the middle of the fob, push the key into it, okay? And you're going to pop the fob open, and then when you open it up, you'll see that you've exposed the battery, okay? So there's the battery in there. And if you just take the battery and give it like a little bit of a twist, it should start to work, all right? And then once you've done that, the contacts have been kind of refreshed a little bit, and your key fob should work just fine. Actually, even if you don't put it back together. All right, good luck.